Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I want to give you a quick overview and review of this here Igloo 18 pack soft backpack cooler. And after I'd say 8 to 10 times I use this thing at the beach, so expose it to sand and everything else, how this thing is holding up. So this thing is advertised as holding 18 cans. That would be 12-ounce cans. I can attest it will definitely hold a ton of cans. I even use this for a lot of water bottles. Kind of give you an idea of the depth with the lid open. It's right at 10 inches with it closed. You can still pack on about 11 inches in there. Going on the width on this here, it's about 10 inches this way, and it's 7 inches zipper to zipper on the top. The inside is looks like it's like a plastic woven type material. It is like a loose bag material, but it doesn't leak. So if you pack it full of ice, it will stay in there. It's really convenient because it's like super, you can see here, it's super lightweight. And it's soft, and so it's unlike, let's just say, a Yeti cooler, which is a little firmer. This thing is I did another video on this, but this thing doesn't hold as many, let's just say, cans, but it's more of a firmer type cooler. This one is more of a backpack cooler, which is a little bit different. So it has these straps on the back that are adjustable. It actually has padding right here, which is nice and convenient. You can actually hold it here as well. So this is something where if you're like me and you're carrying a ton of stuff, you can slap this on your back. This also has very cool, which I personally used it for, as far as a cell phone holder, but you can put a ton of stuff in here. It also keeps it cool as well because this is all sort of sealed. This is more of a harder top, but it's cool for it's helpful, I should say, for snacks and holding things in. I just did it because I was using this at the beach and I was putting my cell phone and things. I wanted to kind of keep out the sand because it sits up nice, and as you can see, like this. There's webbing packs on the side. That's also good for additional cans or snacks. You also have a duplicate one on this side, and you also have the zipper on the front right here. So you can see this allows you to zip and unzip and put additional storage in here. And this is also insulated, which was sort of an unexpected benefit. I wasn't thinking about this. I don't put anything cold. I guess you could put cold packs in here, like those sealed things. But I just use this for other little small storage things. And I just put the bulk of the stuff that I was using it for in here. If there is that ice that's melts, it's been there all day long, it doesn't leach through into this. The bottom is also, you can see there's sand on there, so yes, it definitely was getting some use. This is holds up really good. It's more of a coated canvas type material. This is also a very sturdy type material as well. It's been used in a lot. It hasn't got any stains on it. So if you're looking for something that's more of a backpack type cooler that's going to hold a ton of stuff, 18 cans or a bunch of water bottles, but just from a size standpoint, you kind of wrap your mind around it. This is the ticket. I've used this for a lot, and but hopefully this information helps you out.